When it comes to diesel engines, one component often goes unnoticed but is absolutely essential for proper operation: the fuel injection pump. Today, the focus is on the 0470506035 model, also known as 3,939,940 VP44-029, designed for the Cummins QSB5.9 5.9 liters 205 horsepower engine. While it may seem like just another part, it plays a critical role in engine performance, efficiency, and reliability. At its core, a fuel injection pump is responsible for delivering the right amount of fuel to the engine at precisely the right time. This timing is vital because it directly affects power output, fuel consumption, and emissions. Even a high-quality diesel engine will struggle without a properly functioning pump, making it one of the most important components in the entire system. The VP44-029 stands out because of its precise engineering and durable construction. Every part, from the rotor to the solenoids, is manufactured with extremely tight tolerances. This ensures consistent performance under high-pressure conditions and long-term reliability. High-quality construction is especially important in diesel engines, where even minor imperfections can reduce performance or lead to costly damage. A genuine VP44 pump guarantees that the engine will operate at its intended efficiency and power output. Installation is straightforward for those familiar with diesel engines, but it's essential to follow manufacturer specifications. Proper alignment, torque settings, and calibration are critical. An improperly installed pump can lead to uneven fuel delivery, reduced efficiency, or engine damage. Once installed correctly, this pump works with the engine's electronic control system to optimize fuel injection timing. The result is smoother acceleration, improved power output, and better fuel efficiency. Performance-wise, the VP44-029 allows the QSB5.9 engine to achieve its rated 205 horsepower reliably. This is essential not only for trucks and commercial vehicles but also for industrial equipment and agricultural machinery where reliability is non-negotiable. Unlike older mechanical pumps, this VP44 model features electronic control. The electronic system allows for fine adjustments and dynamic timing corrections, improving performance across a wide range of conditions. This combination of mechanical precision and digital control is what makes it a go-to choice for Cummins engines. Maintenance plays a significant role in extending the life of the pump. While it's designed for long-term durability, using high-quality diesel fuel and following routine inspections are essential. Contaminated fuel or neglecting regular maintenance can shorten the pump's life and compromise performance. With proper care, a VP44-029 can last as long as the engine itself, which is why genuine pumps are worth the investment over cheaper aftermarket alternatives. From a practical perspective, the VP44-029 is highly adaptable. It integrates seamlessly with existing QSB5.9 engines, making it suitable for replacements or performance restoration over time. Engines naturally lose efficiency due to wear. Installing this pump can restore fuel delivery accuracy, improve throttle response, and enhance overall engine performance. Essentially, it gives the engine a new lease on life, which is crucial in commercial operations where downtime is costly. The technology behind the VP44 is impressive. It uses solenoids, a high-pressure rotor, and precisely engineered fuel channels to control injection timing and pressure. This system dynamically adjusts fuel delivery based on engine feedback, ensuring optimal performance under varying conditions. It's not just about pumping fuel, it's about smart, responsive fuel management that maximizes efficiency and reduces emissions without sacrificing power. Sourcing the pump from a reliable supplier is critical. Counterfeit or low-quality pumps can cause more harm than good, leading to inefficient performance or potential engine damage. Choosing a genuine VP44-029 ensures compatibility, reliability, and long-term value.